Hello, I am Naveen Kumar. Here we built a multi-function control system by using bare metal programming. Here my friends are Sanjay and Sukesh here with. First of all, what we done is we implemented algorithm-based LCD and R2C. We used hardware like LCD and R2C. We used a customized STM32 405 board. In that it has inbuilt potentiometer. It can customize by its own, so that we developed a multi function control system based on the logic. First of all, what we done is here first in we created two modes, user mode and admin mode. In user mode, what it will do is we can only see the time by getting data from RTC. So why we use RTC means we because STM board is basically have internal RTC. So if we use external, we here use external RTC. The main advantage is temperature resistance. If the inbuilt RTC it runs daily, means the temperature will rise, so that time fall will happen. And also like that, if we use external means the battery backup is there, so that we can get exact time if the power is off. So we use that. So in user mode we only get the time and date. So here we define admin mode. In the admin mode we can see the potentiometer values of analog values. So here we do three admin modes. In first mode, here we can see the potentiometer analog value 1. In admin mode we can see the part 2 value, and finally we can see that EEPROM data from the current login of last 5 data sets. So in that we can create a multiple switch, page forward, page backward, so that in that we implemented a switch algorithm also there. In that we can create that changing modes, changing admin modes, and changing the forward and backward the pages, and also back to admin mode. So that's how we implemented. So now my friends will continue.
I'll cover how we implemented robust peripheral drivers and user input. ADC configured for single conversion, 3-cycle sampling, reads both parts on demand. I2C for software recovery from bus hangs used for both RTC and LCD. LCD uses a 4-bit mode with backlight control, vision nibbles with an enabled strobe. RTC reads write uses standard registers access, time is busy converted, button debouncing, a final state mission per switch, 30 ms stable time. For cycle 1 through admin mode and wraps back. For SW3 triggers a manual log save and gives LED plus buzzer confirmation. LED and buzzer confirmation. In normal mode, LED blinks with seconds. In any admin mode, the corresponding LED light steady. All input and output fields responsive with clean debouncing and no blocking delays.
The most interesting part is the onboarding class emulated on EEPROM, which has memory layout and magic words, head index, and record counts. It always knows exactly how many logs exist. It has 5 slots, each have 32-bit words. Then it has a log in it and log write. It automatically log in every 60 seconds. The system saves a record. Log viewer auto scrolls every 1.5 seconds, showing the newest and main loop. And the pulse button updates the time, and ADC triggers saves and refers display only when needed. All delays use non-blocking millisecond counter for SysTick system.